What's up, guys? It's your boy t-wils here, back for another trading recap, guys. And we're back. Um, Today we have a trade recap. We passed our Lucid account. We also got our first Lucid Green Day. I'm gonna do a little trade recap, and then I'm gonna do a little segment afterwards in regards to psychology. My psychology specifically after all these payouts, after all this trading, going back to school, stuff like that. I feel like it's really important what I have to say at the end. So, guys, make sure you stick to the end to make sure you guys hear what I have to say about the psychology in regards to trading. So yeah, guys, coming into today, we took two main trades I want to say, in regards to passing our account, and then we took a little scalp after to just lock in that green day for today. So coming into today, guys, the main thing I was looking at is that we had this 1 hour range that we're kind of bouncing in. There's two 1 hour for value gaps. We had some draws below. We had New York AM lows, we had London lows below, and we had a 4 hour gap here. We had also had a 1 hour gap here. The yellow boxes are the 1 hour gaps. This purplish box is our 4 hour. So coming to the market open on the 5 minute, we were just kind of ranging through this 1 hour gap. We hit the bottom. We made an SMT. We hit the bottom. We didn't make the SMT yet. We came back to the range of the CE of this 1 hour before market open. Came back down to around market open to the bottom of this 1 hour again. We made an SMT. And that gave me an obvious, clear bias that we're going to be bullish today. I honestly want to see these London lows, New York AM lows, and maybe even the stack London low get hit first before we end up going long. But this SMT gave us clear confirmation that we were going to be long today. But the only thing was for these trades is that we were still ranging through this 1 hour gap and this 4 hour gap. We obviously had the draws above, such as London highs and New York AM highs. That's what we were mainly trying to target today. But yeah, coming into the 5 minute, coming into the open, we were ranging throughout these two 1 hour gaps. And yeah, it was pretty ugly at first, but we ended up finding a good trade here. Guys, yeah, this chop here was at the beginning of market open. It was kind of disgusting, but I knew we were kind of going to displace here because we failed to take out this high at first. I kind of felt like the high was protected. And then once we bounced off this 1 hour gap again, we didn't close below this 1 minute gap, which is these blue boxes here. I had a clear bullish bias, and I was ready to take a trade here. So I took a trade here off this 1 minute gap here. The inversion to the long side, waited for candle closure. We ended up going BE at this high. We could have made it this high, BE, but our TP was right here. This was TP for pass, the 1500. Either or, guys. If I put my BE at this high or this high, I still would have got BE, and I was what? Like not even 5 points off of my TP. So, and then we ended up hitting BE, and then we ran to our TP after. It was obviously kind of frustrating, but you know, it is what it is. We ended up rallying higher, ended up taking out this New York AM high, and taking out these London highs. And we had another 4 hour, another stacked 4 hour and 1 hour gap here. And I was perfectly fine with that. I felt like we could definitely take it out, or at least tap it for sure. So I ended up entering off this retracement, kind of off the CE of this 1 minute. We didn't really have much to enter off of except for CEs. We also had a doji on the 5 minute, but I entered off the retracement of the CE. I waited for the candle closure above. We just TP'd for how much we need to pass. We took a couple other small L's and alongs to like trying to take back jabs in regards to this high on this pullback here. So we just had our TP at passing the account, to be honest, which I think was at 2,500 because I was down, I think a band or something like that on the account. I took two losses before. So yeah, we took it off the CE here, targeting these highs. We had some rejection here at the 1 hour and the 4 hour CE, but we ended up just shooting right through. You know, we took our TP, and then we passed the account. We took this scalp here. Literally just a quick scalp, literally just to get the green day to make 430. Obviously it could have went bad, could have been terrible. I could have entered 3 minutes late and got shit on. So yeah, this wasn't the best trade for sure, but we ended up taking that jab for our first green day on the Lucid account here. So yeah, first green day on the Lucid account. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, so that's basically the trade recap for that today. And guys, just the little psychology segment I want to get into. It's gonna be a shorter video, but for me personally, why I haven't been uploading so much, and it's kind of me having to hold myself accountable because I told myself I was gonna record these videos, win losses, whatever. I've been going through such a rough patch this last like week specifically. Blowing accounts, passing, buying top step accounts, paying activation fee, blowing, buying two of them, passing them both, blowing, buying lucid accounts, passing them, blowing. Yeah, guys, I blew so many accounts this week, gave so much money back, and it's just because stupid reasons, guys. I was trading, and I talked about it a lot before, earlier. It's about trading Asia Session gold. And I told myself earlier, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I'm gonna stop doing that because that's what got me cooked the whole beginning of this my whole journey. And if you go back to my first YouTube videos, specifically the video where I talked about getting my first or my second payout, I talked about me when I got back into the second chapter. I would basically pass halfway past my accounts and I'll trade Asia Gold and then blow everything. And I told myself I wasn't gonna do that, and I kind of fell into that habit, and fell into the habit again this week for sure. I would literally halfway past my accounts, blow them. Buy an account, Asia Session, blow it again. I gave back so much profits, but yeah, guys, I seen this fruition kind of happening from the beginning of this whole second chapter, and I feel like the reason why I felt like it was okay is because I ended up taking that trade on Asia Gold when I had those copy traded alpha accounts. Um, and I hit that trade on those accounts to get my max payout, a copy traded max payout on two accounts. Um, but yeah, update on accounts, guys. As I'm talking about blown accounts, I have no more accounts. I lost everything. Um, so this Lucid account is my only account right now. I blew all my alpha accounts. Those three accounts I had, I blew them. Um, I think that's all I had at that time. I had some top steps I was working on in some of the videos. I blew those. The Lucid I was talking about in one of my past videos, I blew that. Um, but yeah, I really had to. What it really came down to was the other day. I think it was like 2 days ago. I had a Top Step account. I passed it. Um, I was just trading one account. I passed the account, and I think I had one green day of $900. And the second, Asia session came on that same night. I was like, I'm not gonna trade Asia session. I'm not gonna trade gold. I trade gold. I make $1,400. I'm like, okay, bet. I'm not gonna trade. I'm done trading gold. I already told myself I'm not gonna trade gold. I'm done trading gold. And I feel like what really cooked me that day is because, like, one of my, one somebody that I watch on YouTube and on TikTok and all this bullshit that really, like, helped me start wanting to make videos and be serious with the videos and, like, document my trading live. Um, Alex O, a trader, he made 50 bands that day, copy trading 5 accounts. And, like, I'm not saying that, like, it's his fault, because, like, nigga, it can't be his fault, right? It's me clicking the buttons. But, like, seeing that made me have like FOMO in regards to wanting to get a max payout on that account or whatever it was. So I kept trading that account. And I was trading like 20 cons on gold. Like, yeah, it's just stupid. And I blew that account that same night after being up $2,300 total, $1,400 on the day. Um, and yeah, after that, having that experience, that was literally what, yesterday or 2 days ago. I really sat down with myself. I took it serious, and I was like, bro, what am I doing? Like, I had the like golden blueprint down for myself. I was profitable. Look at my month of December. I was doing everything right, and I'm letting this all go downhill, like crash and burn, because I want to get greedy and trade gold in the PM session. And it's not like it like helps reset my calendar date or my winning days. I still have the AM session. So like, what, why am I doing that? And I'm primarily trading AM session in my model. Um so yeah, like I really had to lock in, and luckily in the last day talking to some of my homies, I've been like really locked in with them too, trying to help them out with trading and stuff like that. And I got the same back in return. Like they think, I'm not trying to like gas myself up, but like seeing me be like profitable last month, whatever it is, and then taking my word as like not like a golden word, but like taking it as like true and genuine like advice to like get better in this trading shit, and then them coming to me as well, telling me like, yo, bro, like them seeing it live too, like, yo, bro, like you need to just like relax. Like, what are you doing? You know better for yourself. Like, it's just as valuable. It's like push and pull. So if you guys have anybody that you guys can like have on your side, or like a partner in crime with you throughout this journey, or partners in crime throughout this journey, that'll help you keep yourself accountable, I would truly recommend it. Obviously, it's gonna be hard to like not like influence people, but like get people to start trading with you. Hop on this fucking mental journey of like this mentally draining, um, not like what am I thinking of? Not like side hustle, but like this mentally draining process of learning to trading, the psychology, all this shit. But if you have people that are willing to be there with you, that will help hold you accountable. That's the best way, because the like the deepest, darkest demons come to you guys when you're sitting by yourself with full control, because then that's when you could really lose it all and lose control. Um, so yeah, that's where I've kind of been this last week. No uploads. Um, but I'm back at it, guys. I'm back at it, holding myself accountable. And I felt like because I wasn't recording videos consistently, like it's not like a buy, but it's like a pass. Like, okay, like I don't have like a quote unquote stage that I have to uphold to show myself being profitable, making good, doing these good habits that I preach. And yeah, so like that's why I definitely slacked off this week, but I'm happy I caught myself at a good time. I'm not saying it's the slump's over. Hopefully the slump is over, but yeah. Um, if you guys feel like you guys are going through a rough patch and you guys can't have a breakthrough, just try to take a step back and realize what the situation is that's going on in front of you. No matter what that is in life, right? And nobody's perfect. Nobody's gonna know the answer. You might not even know the answer yourself. Like you probably might have done that, and you don't know what the answer is. But as long as you could do that and be aware that there is something wrong, you could make steps forward, or you could start making steps forward to do something right. Um, but yeah, that's basically all I have to say in regards to that, guys. Um, guys, if you are interested, also, I set up the Discord perfectly. Me and my brother helped set up the Discord. We have the Discord here. We're posting all the wins and losses. We're in here every single morning posting wins and losses. This is the wins section. I have a P&L section too, guys. If you guys are curious, you want to trade with us in the morning, trade with some of me and my homies in the morning, join up the Discord. I got it all set up, guys. It took time doing this too. Um, guys, join up the Discord. It's free to join. Um, we trade in there every single day. So if you guys liked the video, and you enjoyed, you learned something from this, or if you felt like it was kind of interesting in some kind of way, leave a like on the video. Consider subscribing, guys. It's free. It's free. Subscribe if you guys want to see the next video. Stick along with the journey. If you guys are buying prop firms, specifically alpha futures, I'm working on getting affiliate with more prop firms. But if you guys are gonna buy alpha accounts, try to please support me. Use Tristan012493. At checkout, you guys will get max percent off. Whatever the max percentage off is, if they have a deal like an Easter deal or whatever, it's 25% off using code Easter. If you guys use my code too, you still get the same max percent off. So guys, use my code on Alpha. Working on more codes. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link is down below to join the Discord. I appreciate all you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. And yeah, and if you guys have any questions, leave in the comments. And if you guys don't even want to leave in the comments, you want to message me privately, join the Discord, or add me on Discord. And you guys can DM me there too. So I appreciate you guys. I hope all of you guys are on the right track, or you guys are at least striving to be on the right track. We're trying to make differences every day to get on that right track. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope you guys have a good day. And thanks for watching.